Alright guys, we're going to do a review of the Yoder YS640 barbecue board pair and barbecue board trio for the Yoder 640 pellet smoker. So as you can see here, we got our Yoder 640. Some freshly cooked jerky, 10 pounds of London broil, came out delicious. So first of all, we've got our side shelf board made from European walnut. Got your stainless steel serving handles, a deep 1/2 inch wide by 1/2 inch deep juice groove. Capture all those juices so they don't drip all over your nice barbecue area or concrete. Same goes here. Got our front shelf, 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch juice groove. Same materials, European walnut and stainless steel. Both of these shelves were designed in such a way to contour to the actual shape of the wire rack that comes from the factory from Yoder. Perfect dimensions, perfect fit each and every time. And the beauty of these is they lock into the shelves. I don't know if you can get a view here. But I'll pull it up here in a second and give you guys a view of the underside of the actual board. So the board has feet that fit right in the factory shelf that keep it from sliding around. It's actually locked in there. You can not even move it. You can lift it up and move it. But once it's down in there, you can see it drop in here. So it's off center and it drops in. It doesn't go side to side. I mean, with a bit of force, you can yank it side to side. But you'll never have that much force side to side. Front to back, there is no chance that's moving when you're cutting meat on the front of this thing. You open your grill. You pull that hot smoking meat right off of that grill. You plop it right down on the front of this thing. You start cutting away. Once you're done cutting, and you need to take it to the dining room, you just grab it and lift it up. So bear with me as I'm holding the camera in my hand, but I'm going to lift it up and show you guys how easy it is. So just that easy. You've now taken your freshly cooked, freshly carved meat right off the grill and carried it right into your dining area. And as I pointed out, there's feet on the bottom of this guy. So you're not going to scratch up your surfaces. You definitely don't want to scratch your surface if you got a nice outdoor dining area like this. The last thing you want is wood on this surface. Even if it isn't scratching, wood's going to slide around much easier. This guy's planted. This is one of our newest releases. We've got our grilling gloves. Same goes for the side shelf here. Bear with me with the camera. Again, holding the camera and lifting. Pretty much holding the left-hand side of this with one finger. So it's definitely not too heavy to move around. I mean, it's just that easy, guys. So no more struggling with hot meat right off the grill, throwing it into some glass Pyrex dish, or trying to carry a juicy pork roast off the grill and rush inside before it spills everywhere and burns you. The solution is here. BBQ Boards by Leftwick Engineering. Everything's available on the website, leftwickengineering.com. I'll put the link in the bio. We've got a bunch of promotions and sales going on right now. Getting ready for dads and grads. And the grilling season is upon us. So before I cut, I wanted to cover the rub rack, which is part of the trio. So the trio contains those two boards we just went through and this rub rack. This rub rack's designed to hold all the cold beverages, sauces, and rubs. The rubs in the container that is most widely available. They fit right on there. They lock in. So this rub rack is sold individually as well as sold in the trio for the Yoder 480 and Yoder 640. The rub rack is also available in a pair for the YS1500 with the YS1500 front board, which has not been shown in this video, but will be shown in a future video. Again, I'm going to lift this guy up, pull it off. Move it wherever you'd like it, wherever's convenient. As with all the boards, rubber feet. So, yeah, if you're tilting at that high of an angle, you know, you might have a little difficulty keeping these from falling out of there. But I think obviously you're going to keep it as level as possible while you're moving it around. So we'll put the rub rack back. Show you how it just fits right on top of the pellet hopper. And you're ready to go. So as we cut away from this video, I'll put everything back. Again, bear with me. Lifting with literally my pinky finger on the right hand side. So by no means is this too heavy to move around. It is very versatile and truly completes the Yoder shelves. So I know some of you will be thinking to yourself, well, I got the competition cart. I've got the stainless steel shelves. Don't worry, we thought about that. Those feet are going to keep your stainless steel shelves from getting scratched. And they're going to prevent the boards from sliding around, just as they do on the table. Last thing you want is your very nice stainless steel shelves to get scratched, and just those regular wood boards that slide around on metal like ice skates on an ice skate rink. So thank you guys. Be more to come. More reviews. Stay tuned.